wetu ama wanafunzi wetu na kila mmoja ambaye
This water tanks is part of our initiative as State Department for Wildlife to work very closely with the schools for purposes of capacity building and also bringing on forward the issues to do with reducing diseases and problems that do occur in schools. One of the things that we realize is that most of the students do miss school because of water-related diseases, and this is just cutting across all the country. And as we came to do for the 10 schools that are actually benefiting from this program, it's a program that we are doing it for a good number of schools, and mostly on those counties that have problems of water, especially areas of Isiolo, Samburu, Masai Mara, and many other places. And there are also some other places that still have the same problem of water-related problems. And that is why we are here as State Department for Wildlife to ensure that when we deliver such kind of water tanks, some of the students who have been injured by the wildlife due to human-wildlife and conflicts because they go to the rivers to collect water to be used in schools. But then when you bring water tanks or you provide water closer to them, then we reduce the human-wildlife conflicts that arise because of the children and the teachers and even the community who are actually going to collect water. So these water tanks are not only for the school, but also for the community around. Whenever they have activities, whenever they can access water, they can be able to get from this place.